Naturals Beauty Salon revolutionized the concept of beauty and styling in the days when grooming was limited to nothing other than regular haircuts. The concept of Naturals salons was to give affordable, good quality beauty services to the average person. Luxurious experiences plus professional and courteous services are what you will find at all Naturals salons.
When we started, we wanted to have at best 6 salons in Chennai. But as the market opened up, as the business opened up, we started looking at new opportunities. We started looking at new markets, and we said, how can we scale up? We quickly got into the 60s. Then the 60s became 120, 120 became 200. As I speak in front of you, we are at 335 salons all over India, including one salon in Colombo.
#1 hair and beauty salon is the country's fastest growing chain of salons in the industry. They provide a select portfolio in beauty and wellness solutions like hair care, skin care, body care and bridal services.
Honored to be part of the Naturals team. I think I've been with the Naturals team for the past 5 years and I've seen it grow.
I started using Naturals for my professional purpose, for my anchoring, and today if it's natural, then I can just keep my eyes closed and go there and I know I'll have the best of services.
The very best, and becoming one of the biggest salon chains in the country.
We always feel and consider that this is not the success of my success, it is not the success of Vena's success. Natural success is the success of the network. Network consists of franchise partners, network consists of the smile providers. These are the important stakeholders in this business.
Unlike other brands that support their franchisees only in the initial phase and then facilitate a handover to the franchisee running the business, Naturals works with their business partners through the initial teething period and then handholds them through the entire business process. The vision of Naturals, that of creating 1,000 women entrepreneurs by the year 2017, and eventually the magic figure of 3,000 salons, is quite apt for India's most sought after and fastest growing beauty retail chain.
I've been associated with them since 2010, and what started as a dream to be an entrepreneur with one salon, now 4 years later I have 5 salons. I wouldn't mind opening many more, as it's a vicious cycle, you never end with one. I'm really proud to be part of the Naturals brand, especially CKK and Veena, and we are one big happy family.
I've been associated with Naturals for about 4.5 years now. Gandhinagar was the 34th location. In about 4.5 years, we have gone from 34 locations to about 350 plus. The primary reason, according to me, why Naturals was able to do it was because of the leadership team, I would say. Am I proud to be part of Naturals? Absolutely, right? And I think the journey is just getting started.
Welcome to Naturals, India's #1 hair and beauty salon.
Kareena, because we wanted to go pan-India, and of course Kareena is international, so I think Kareena was the best choice.
So she is the style diva, a fashion icon, and we wanted to make Naturals truly a national brand and also scale up into international market. 6 years from now, that is 2020, Naturals should be the #1 salon in the world, and that's around 10,000 plus salons. You think it is possible? It is very much possible.
Together, let's build a beautiful India.
Be rich, be happy.